Read the whole thing. The Honourable Member for Regina Wascana.
Madam Speaker, I'm pleased to have the opportunity to present a petition today on behalf of many Pakistani Canadians who are concerned about the arbitrary detention of former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan and the fate of his supporters. Signers of the petition believe that free and fair elections in Pakistan remain a distant hope after widespread reports of massive rigging of last year's general election in that country. They are also concerned about the lack of independence of the Pakistani Supreme Court following a recent constitutional amendment supported by that country's military. Therefore, this petition is asking on the Government of Canada for the to call on Pakistan for the immediate release of Imran Khan from prison, for there to be free and fair elections in Pakistan under international supervision, and for the restoration of democracy in that country. Madam Speaker, I'm pleased to have the opportunity to present this petition here today in the House of Commons.
Honourable député.
The honourable member for